Come on up, Phoebe.
Alright, get it.
Did you have fun? Did you have fun with Papa? Yeah? Taking a video. Say hi. Is the water warm?
Yeah, it's wicked warm. I wish I brought my shorts.
I told you to wear them.
I go in my underwear. It's gonna be all wet.
No, you don't want to walk like that. You get a rash. We got a long walk back.
And that's why I gotta dry my feet.
Phoebe. Hi, baby girl. You a good girl? Oh, you gotta wait. Papa's gotta put his shoes on.
Papa's gonna sit down.
Here, come get your water, Phoebe. Yeah. Phoebe. Phoebe, look. Your water. She's having so much fun.
She's a good girl. You like adventures, huh?
Say we're going on an adventure. We're going on a trip. Drink some water there, Skippy. You look thirsty. Okay, say bye. There you go. Oh, nope. She wants to drink the river water. Stupid fly. McFly. Phoebe, eat the bug. Save Mommy from the big bad bug. Say bye.
Bye.